Unraveling the Phrase. Bought the t-shirt. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even read in books. Bought the t-shirt. It's a colorful expression that's not just about shopping for clothes. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and origins to help you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. Let's get started. Bought the t-shirt is an idiomatic expression used to convey that someone has experienced something fully or to the extent that there's nothing new for them in that particular context. It suggests not just participation or witnessing but having gained a complete, often exhaustive, experience of an event, place, or activity. The phrase likely originates from the practice of buying t-shirts as souvenirs to commemorate attending events, such as concerts, festivals, or tourist destinations. Owning a t-shirt became symbolic of having been there and done that. Over time, this concept evolved into the idiomatic expression we use today, implying deep personal experience or familiarity with something, beyond just superficial involvement. You can use "bought the t-shirt" in a conversational context to express that you have extensive experience with something, often with a sense of pride or sometimes weariness. It's suitable for informal settings and can add a touch of humor or emphasis to your stories. For example, after talking about the challenges of backpacking through Europe, you might say, "I've definitely bought the t-shirt on that one." In a discussion about a popular TV series that you've watched all seasons of, "Oh, I've bought the t-shirt for that show. Watched it 3 times over." The phrase can also highlight a sense of completion or exhaustion with an experience. It's versatile and reflects a broad range of personal experiences, from travel and entertainment to life challenges and achievements. There are variations like "been there," "done that," "got the t-shirt," which emphasize the same sentiment of thorough familiarity or accomplishment. Understanding phrases like "bought the t-shirt" not only enriches your English vocabulary but also gives you insight into the cultural nuances that make language learning so exciting. It's a fun, expressive way to share your experiences and connect with others. We hope this exploration has added a new dimension to your English journey. Happy learning, and remember, every experience is worth the metaphorical t-shirt you get from it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.